As a college student, how can you generate passive income? As a college student, you have many options for passive income. Some suggestions include advertising with your car, affiliate marketing, blogging, creating and selling chatbots, flipping items, and others. These passive income ideas for college students do not necessitate set hours that would interfere with their studies. In this video, we will discuss 10 passive income ideas for college students that are simple for beginners, profitable, and highly flexible, and will help you supplement your income while still in college. Before you begin watching this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Number 10. Advertise with your car. You can supplement your income by renting out the advertising space on your vehicle. You provide advertisers with space to display their advertisements in exchange for a commission or monthly income without incurring any expenses. All you need is to be an active driver with a roadworthy vehicle, a valid driver's license, and a contract with a marketing firm. Advertising firms provide various payment packages based on the terms of the agreement. Rapify, for example, pays drivers by the mile and earns between $400 and $600 per month. Because it is simple, low risk, and has a high return on investment, advertising with your car is an excellent source of passive income. Number 9. Audiobooks. If you enjoy reading books aloud in front of an audience, this is the project for you. You can easily become an audiobook narrator and earn money in the process. You earn money by narrating your own book or books for other clients, and you are paid hourly or per book. Some audiobook sites pay beginners around $100 per completed hour and professionals up to $500. Even better, audiobooks are becoming increasingly popular, making it one of the most promising passive income ideas for the future. To begin narrating audiobooks and earning extra money, all you need is a laptop or phone and a high-quality microphone. If you want to make it completely passive, generate leads and then outsource the work to sites like Fiverr. Number 8. Blogging. If you enjoy writing essays in college, blogging could be a good fit for you. Blogging entails producing high-quality content such as articles, videos, and reviews. Affiliate marketing, display ads, print on demand, and e-commerce are all ways to monetize your content. To grow your audience, all you need is a monetized website with high traffic and consistent quality content. Bloggers with a sizable following, typically 30K plus monthly views, can easily earn more than $1,000 per month from various blog activities. We highly recommend to anyone interested in learning to get some knowledge about how to create a successful monetized blog. Blogging is simple for beginners to follow and actually works. Number 7. Cashback credit cards. If you swipe frequently and want to earn money while doing so, this is the idea for you. Cashback from credit cards is a simple way to earn money for using your credit card. This type of passive income requires you to spend money on necessary purchases and pay off your debts on time in order to earn a percentage discount on the money spent. If you spend $5,000, you will receive a $50 cashback at a 1% rate. Despite the fact that you spend money, this idea allows you to earn a few extra dollars each month without doing much. We do recommend that you only try this if your spending is absolutely necessary and you are confident in your ability to repay on time. Otherwise, it is counterproductive. Number 6. Food delivery services. Uber recently introduced a new food delivery service that utilizes their taxi service to deliver food to customers. Uber Eats can be a good source of passive income, particularly for those who enjoy driving. To make that extra money, you must first sign up with the company and have a clean driving record. You can earn thousands of dollars per month as an Uber driver, depending on the number of deliveries you make. If you can work it into your regular schedule, it can be a good way to supplement your income. Number 5. Chatbots. Chatbots are a new way to serve customers. Chatbots are programmed to interpret the context of a conversation and to respond to questions. A chatbot is a software application based on artificial intelligence that can have a real-time text or voice conversation. Although chatbots are still relatively new, their popularity is growing, making them viable sources of passive income. To make money from your chatbot, you must monetize it in the same way that you would a blog. You could do this by selling chatbot services to customers or businesses. You can also make money by using affiliate marketing, advertising, e-commerce, lead generation, and other methods which we will be discussing later in this video. The goal is to identify a niche product or service and use your chatbot to generate sales. Creating and running a popular bot with a large fan base or engaging prospects can earn you hundreds of dollars per month. Number 4. Copywriting. The act or occupation of writing text for the purpose of advertising or other forms of marketing is known as copywriting. The product, also known as copy or sales copy, is written content that aims to raise brand awareness and ultimately persuade an individual or group to take a specific action. Copywriting can help you generate passive income in two ways: by operating a monetized website or by establishing a copywriting agency. You make money by ghostwriting articles, infographics, press releases, and other types of content that help you keep monetized traffic on your website. You could also start a company that provides copywriting services and earn passive income. To run a successful website or agency, you must have strong writing and content creation skills. Although it can be costly to begin and learn, copywriting can easily earn you $1,500 or more in passive income each month. Number 3. Data entry. Data entry is the process of entering data or information into a computer through the use of input devices such as a keyboard, scanner, disk, or voice. If you enjoy information and data processing, data entry can be a lucrative source of passive income. Companies hire you as a freelance data entry clerk to process large amounts of data using computers and systems. To get started, all you need is a good laptop and some software. You can make this more passive by writing scripts or macros to automate the work, or simply outsourcing it. Some companies pay clerks up to $20 per hour, making it an excellent source of passive income. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing enables you to earn money by selecting a product or service from a company that has an affiliate marketing offer. All you have to do is promote it to a target audience and earn a commission on sales generated by your link. You can do it physically or virtually, online or offline, and earn commissions based on the product or service's value. Commissions can be paid in the form of a flat fee or a percentage of the sale. All you have to do is join an affiliate marketing service, promote and sell their products, generate sales, and earn money. Commissions vary by affiliate program, but some of the most profitable ones are Amazon Associates, eBay, ClickBank, and Affiliate.com. As a beginner, you can earn $1,000 or more per month depending on how many sales you generate through your affiliate links. Number 1. E-commerce. E-commerce, also known as electronic commerce or internet commerce, refers to the purchase and sale of goods or services over the internet, as well as the transfer of money and data to complete these transactions. E-commerce is frequently used to refer to the online sale of physical products, but it can also refer to any type of commercial transaction that is facilitated by the internet. By creating an e-commerce site and selling products and services, you can earn a decent amount of money in a relatively passive manner. You generate passive income by maintaining a website that is active but does not require your constant attention. Marketing is essential for this, but if you use the right platforms, you won't need any development skills. Dropshipping, affiliate marketing, print on demand, display ads, and other methods can help you make money with e-commerce. That concludes our list of the top 10 passive income ideas for students. I hope you had a good time watching the video. Please remember to click that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Look forward to seeing you in the next one.